Hello everyone, welcome back to On Top Indicators. My name's Osiris and today I'm going to be giving you the best settings to use when trading the Chande Oscillator and you're trading the 4-hour Bitcoin chart. So let's kind of take a look at what the Chande Oscillator looks like really quick, and here it is. It's just this yellow line oscillating back and forth between negative 100 and positive 100. And we have this white line, which is our signal line. We're going to be taking a buy position every time that the yellow line crosses above the white line. So we'd have one like right around there. And then since that crossed over and came back down, there'd be a buy position right there, a buy position there, and so on and so forth. Every time the yellow crosses above the white and we're not already in a position, then we'll be taking a buy position there. Okay, so let me get rid of all these arrows here, and you can see this is what the strategy itself would look like on the chart. So let's take a look what these default settings would have fared like. So first of all, we have two things that we can mess around with. We have the length of the indicator, and then we have the signal line. The stop loss and the take profit, we're going to leave the same at 4.8, simply because that's half of the ATR of the entire testing period. We're just going to leave that at 4.8 until we start building our strategy. But for right now, we just want to find out what's the best length and what's the best length of the signal line to take our trades. So just leaving the default settings 9 and 21, we would have had a net profit of 109.9%. So that's pretty good. But remember, this is the 4-hour chart, so we're really looking for better results than that. Let's see if we can bump up that 109.9. Well, I know we can. Here's what the settings are that you want to be using. So instead of 9, you want this to be set at 28. That puts us up to 663.66% in profits. And the signal line, instead of 21, let's change that to 24. That would have given us a net profit of 655.34%. Okay, let's take a look at this down here. Once again, we started at 109% profit and now we're all the way up to 655% profit. So just by itself, this could be used pretty much entirely as a strategy. All you'd have to be doing is every time that the Chande Oscillator crosses above the signal line, and that's what the settings are set at, 28 and 24, with a stop loss of 4.8% and a take profit at 4.8%, you'd be up 655%. Now, I wouldn't use this as a full-blown strategy, but if you think you're ready to start trading the best strategies that I've found and the ones that I personally use, then head on over to ontopindicators.com and check them out. Once again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are getting a lot out of these videos. Once again, make sure you're not using the default settings. It's very rare where an indicator's default settings are the best settings that you could be using for the instrument that you're trading. Every instrument is different and every time frame on every instrument can be different too. They're not always different in that regard, but oftentimes they are. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, goodbye.